Hey, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I'm here with your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Today's tip comes directly from my Facebook memories, and it is a quote from your Uncle G. Are you ready? Here we go. Become obsessed about the things you want. Otherwise, you are going to spend a lifetime being obsessed with making up excuses as to why you didn't get the life you wanted. Ow! And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, visit cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching. cardonesolutions.com/coaching for your path to becoming obsessed finally. And be great, because nothing else pays.